all. I am Esparta Sardi studying in 9th class in JPHS Mangalpalli. Today I am going to say 118 elements of periodic table. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, bromine, krypton, rubidium, strontium, yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, cadmium, indium, tin, antimony, tellurium, iodine, xenon, cesium, barium, lanthanum, cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium, lutetium, hafnium, tantalum, tungsten, rhenium, osmium, iridium, platinum, gold, mercury, thallium, lead, bismuth, polonium, astatine, radon, francium, radium, actinium, thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, curium, berkelium, californium, einsteinium, formium, mendelevium, nobelium, lawrencium, rutherfordium, dubnium, seaborgium, borium, hassium, meitnerium, darmstadtium, rheingium, copernicium, nihonium, flerovium, moscovium, livermorium, tennessine, organism.
Okay.
Good morning to all. I am A. Lahiri studying 9th standard in JPHS Mangalpalli. Today I will tell 118 elements of periodic table in reverse order. That is 118th element to first element. Organism, tennessine, livermorium, moscovium, flerovium, niobium, copernicium, rheingium, darmstadtium, meitnerium, hassium, borium, seaborgium, dubnium, rutherfordium, lawrencium, nobelium, mendelevium, fermium, einsteinium, californium, berkelium, curium, americium, plutonium, neptunium, uranium, protactinium, thorium, actinium, radium, francium, radon, astatine, polonium, bismuth, lead, thallium, mercury, gold, platinum, iridium, osmium, rhenium, tungsten, tantalum, hafnium, lutetium, ytterbium, thulium, erbium, holmium, dysprosium, terbium, gadolinium, europium, samarium, promethium, neodymium, praseodymium, cerium, lanthanum, barium, cesium, xenon, iodine, tellurium, antimony, tin, indium, cadmium, silver, palladium, rhodium, ruthenium, technetium, molybdenum, niobium, zirconium, yttrium, strontium, rubidium, krypton, bromine, selenium, arsenic, germanium, gallium, zinc, copper, nickel, cobalt, iron, manganese, chromium, vanadium, scandium, titanium, scandium, calcium, potassium, argon, chlorine, sulfur, phosphorus, silicon, aluminium, magnesium, sodium, neon, fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon, boron, beryllium, lithium, helium, hydrogen.
2
minutes 5 seconds.
Lahiri and Parthasarathy, I am going to ask some questions regarding to periodic table. Are you ready to give answers? Okay. Lahiri, tell me the name of the element whose atomic number is 78.
Platinum.
Good. Parthasarathy, now you tell me nickel, atomic number of nickel.
28.
Very good. Lahiri, tell me atomic number of scandium.
21.
Very good. Parthasarathy, now you tell me the atomic number of lead?
82.
Very good, very good. Next, Lahari, what is the name of the element whose atomic number is 35?
Bromine.
Very good. Next, Parthasarathi, tell me the name of atomic number 4. The element atomic number whose atomic number is 5. Sorry, 5.
Boron.
Good. Now, again Parthasarathi, you tell me the atomic number of element cerium.
58.
Very good, very good, very good. Now, Lahari, you tell me the atomic number of the element technetium.
42.
No. No?
43.
Very good, very good. 43. Now, Parthasarathi, you tell me the name of element whose atomic number is 100.
Fermium.
Very good, very good. Next, Lahari, what is the atomic number of indium? Element India.
49, sir.
Exactly, 49. Good. Next, 108. Give me the name of the element whose atomic number is 108. Parthasarathi.
Hassium.
Very good, very good. Now tell me, Lahari, what is the atomic number of chromium?
Chromium, sir.
Yes, chromium. Cr.
24.
Exactly, 24. Now, Parthasarathi, what is the name of element whose atomic number is 77?
Iridium.
Very good, very good. Good. Next, Lahari, one element whose atomic number is 64. Name the element.
Gadolinium.
Very good, very good, very good. Now, Parthasarathi, you tell me the name of element atomic number is 67.
Holmium.
Very good, very good, very good. Lahari, name the element whose atomic number is 103.
Lawrencium.
Very good, very good, very good. You have done very well, very well. Both of you చాలా బాగా ఆన్సర్ చేశారు. గుడ్ కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ ఇద్దరికి. అలాగే ఇంకొక రకమైనటువంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ కూడా అడుగుతాను మిమ్మల్ని, మీరు చెప్పడానికి ప్రయత్నం చేయండి. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఒక ఎలిమెంట్ పేరు చెప్తాను, అది ఏ గ్రూప్లో ఉందో చెప్పాలి. యూ హ్యావ్ టు సే ద గ్రూప్ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఎలిమెంట్. ఓకే, ఆర్ యు రెడీ? Yes. Parthasarathi, you tell me which group. First you have to say group number. Now the task is atomic number 20 calcium.
Group 2.
Very good, very good, very good. You tell me, Lahari, atomic number 29 copper. This element belongs to which group? Exactly. Good. Next. Parthasarathi, you tell me krypton.
18.
Exactly, exactly. Next. Atomic number 84. 84.
16.
Exactly. Lahari, మళ్ళీ నీకే ప్రశ్న అడుగుతున్నానమ్మా. Name the elements which are present in group number 2.
Beryllium.
Yes,
Manganese.
yes,
Calcium.
very good,
Strontium.
very good.
Radium.
Yes,
Barium.
very good. Next, Parthasarathi, you tell me the elements of group number 18.
Helium. Neon. Argon. Krypton. Organation.
Very good. Radon. RN stands for
Radon.
Now, ఇప్పుడు కొంచెం డిఫరెంట్ గా ఇంకొక ప్రశ్న అడుగుతాను, సమాధానం చెప్పడానికి ప్రయత్నం చేయండి. పార్థసారథి, can you give atomic numbers of elements from group 1 from top to bottom?
1,
Yes.
3,
Yes.
11,
Yes.
19,
Yes.
37,
That is nice. Yes.
50, 55,
Very good.
87.
Very good. Very good. Excellent answer. Excellent answer. Now, Lahari, tell me the atomic numbers of elements from group number 15. Yes.
15,
Yes.
33,
Yes.
51,
Exactly.
83,
Yes.
105,
No.
115.
Yes. Exactly.